cemetery of Bukit Jalil, Kubur Hindu, Ladang Bukit Jalil, 6.5 miles Jalan Puchong, Petaling Jaya, 58200 Kuala Lumpur. This whole area was part of the Bukit Jalil estate. As a first step, the UMNO-led government started evicting part of the estate workers from Bukit Jalil. They got rid of about half the estate workers. Now there are remaining 41 households in Ladang Bukit Jalil in 30 different houses. Tomorrow, the UMNO-led Dewan Bandaraya Kuala Lumpur, the City Hall of Kuala Lumpur, is coming to demolish the Bukit Jalil estate workers' houses on the grounds that they are squatters. How can estate workers be squatters? But the UMNO-led government is abusing the law, abusing the powers, using the provisions under squatters to demolish this Bukit Jalil estate workers' homes. As soon as they break the homes, the next thing the UMNO-led government will do is to relocate the Bukit Jalil Tamil School to a nearby school. That is Sekolah Agama Sri Keladi. Land belongs to Sekolah Agama Sri Keladi. The UMNO-led government has put up a few 20 by 20 feet pigeonhole classrooms for the Bukit Jalil Tamil School to be relocated on an Agama school, and in a matter of time, in due course, this school would also be demolished. And then there's a temple in Bukit Jalil Hindu temple. There's an LRT, proposed LRT coming along that in the direction of the temple, on the temple land, and that will be a good excuse for UMNO to also demolish the Bukit Jalil the Hindu temple. And last is this Hindu Kubur, Hindu cemetery, which to me looks like a good 3-acre land filled with tombstones of Hindus. The estate worker, plantation workers who lived and died in this plantation, in their remembrance. In due course, this cemetery would also be demolished, and this will be the last step. Okay, to me, this will be the final lap in UMNO's ethnic cleansing of the Hindu Indian labourers, workers of Ladang Bukit Jalil. For this, for using the word ethnic cleansing, I have been referred to as a racist, I've been branded as a racist, I've been branded as an extremist. There's a criminal charge against me for using the word ethnic cleansing, carrying a 3-year jail sentence, but I'm saying it again because this is the truth. This is the facts of it, this is the truth. And when UMNO commits acts of racism, acts of supremacy, acts of religious extremism, that is not racist, that is not ethnic cleansing. And but when we point out that every 1 week we have statistics revealed in the State Assembly of Selangor that every 1 week one Hindu temple is being broken, we instead are branded as racist, as extremists. The government gets the UMNO Attorney General to prosecute me for sedition and so on and so forth. And just immediately next to this Hindu cemetery, just around it, as you see here, are all filled with concrete, cement, rubbish, trash, tires, and everything else. Okay, and pray tell me of one Muslim cemetery, one Christian cemetery, one Chinese cemetery that looks anywhere near like this. No. Why is this happening only to the Indians, and that too in Malaysia? To me, Malaysia is the most racist country in the whole world. Malaysia is the most religious extremist country in the whole world. Malaysia is the most supremacist country in the whole world. After even apartheid in South Africa ended some 30 years ago. Some 20 years ago, apartheid ended in South Africa. Malaysia is still practicing apartheid, which sadly the world does not know. Our struggle will continue highlighting the injustices, the acts of racism, the acts of religious extremism, the acts of supremacy by the UMNO-led government primarily against the Malaysian Indians.
எதிர்கட்சியும் ஒன்றும் செய்யல, பாரிசான ஒன்றும் செய்யல. நாங்க இன்னும் எத்தனை காசு இன்னும் அடிமையா இருக்கணும். நான் ஆடு மாடுங்க கூட இப்ப உள்ள நிலைமைக்கு சுதந்திரம் இருக்கு. ஆனா மக்களுங்களுக்கு ஏன் நம்ம இந்திய தமிழ்நாட்டுக்கு ஏன் இன்னும் ஒண்ணுமே கிடைக்கல? விடிய காலம் இத்தனை பேர் தான் இருக்காங்க. 5 பேரை புடிச்சு உள்ளுக்கு வச்சுட்டா இப்ப நாங்களாம் என்ன செய்யறது? போராடுவோம். நீங்க அங்க பின்னால நிக்கணும்.
இருக்கோம், கவலைப்படாத, நாங்க இருக்கோம். எதுக்கு இருக்கோம்?
இல்ல இது நீங்க எல்லாரும் இங்க வந்தாலே வந்து பெரிய இது பாருங்க போதும். அது வர பெண்கள் பாருங்க நிறைய மெஜாரிட்டி இங்க பெண்கள்
நம்மனால முடியாது. நம்மனால
உணவை இறக்கலாமா? உணவை கொடுத்து உயிராய் வளர்த்த கனவை மதிக்கலாமா? தோல்வி நிலையென நினைத்தா மனிதன் வாழ நினைக்கலாமா?
வாழ்க வாழ்க
மனித உரிமை
வாழ்க 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 வாழ்க